What's going on, everybody? Zion Racing Team. We're doing an unboxing video of the Racing Beat exhaust. We're going to show you guys how this thing looks. We had a need to get one for this 1983 Mazda RX-7 that we got. It had a aftermarket exhaust that was not up to par, and it just doesn't cut it for what the car has and what it needs. So we contacted Racing Beat and we got set up with pretty much the proper exhaust that should be on this car. We're gonna go ahead and start the unboxing. I'm gonna have my buddy over here take care of me and shoot the video so I can show you guys how it is. When you first open the box, you got a couple gaskets here that they send you so you can make sure you made everything properly. Right here, looks like we got the pre-silencer. See, everything's nicely packaged. Give some gaskets and everything. Go ahead and try to open this for you guys. You can check it out. This is a must. Our car is bridge ported, and with the intake manifold and everything, it's pretty loud. So this is the pre-silencer. This will give us, the back pressure and also lower resonance sound that we need. So this is a little pre-silencer. It'll bolt up to the header, Racing Beat header that we already got on the car, and then it'll flow back to the exhaust, which we'll show you here. Did come with gaskets, little nuts and bolts and everything, so you can put everything brand new. Go ahead and put this to the side. Keep showing you the rest. A lot of padding in the packaging to take care of you. Right here we got a little hanger set up. Had to buy the little hangers. The car doesn't have hangers right now because that exhaust was done by someone else, aftermarket. So we got some new hangers, some new bushings, and some new bolts and brackets. Sure, make sure they package this real nice and tight so your stuff is protected. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Beautiful. Alright, so this is from the pre-silencer back. This is the exhaust here. Show you guys how it looks. Real nice quality. You can see the welds, everything looks real good. I'm gonna go ahead and take off these little covers here so you can see how it really looks. So I got that off. I'm gonna get a little blade. Here you see the tips coming out the back. You see the etching, Racing Beat etching. Location, Anaheim, California. Racing Beat has always got quality parts for the Mazdas. I'll go ahead and show you the actual muffler. Super clean, super quality. Really, really nice. See the hangers, everything set up real proper. And here, the collector. Also with the bolts that you need to bolt up the brackets. The collector real nicely done. Everything real good. So we're looking forward to see how it looks on the car, how it sounds. It's going to be 100 times better than the last one was. And we will have you a video. We're going to go ahead and do that today. We're going to change this transmission out. So pretty much the transmission that's in there, we've brought it up and down like 5 times already. We had a couple issues that we had to take care of. In the end, transmission still leaking, having a little issue grinding on 3rd gear. So we sourced this transmission for a good price. Came a little beat up. My buddy went ahead and cleaned it up real good, sprayed it down nice. Looks pretty much brand new. But we're gonna go ahead and be putting that into the car today, and we'll have a little video for you guys, show you the process and everything for those who haven't done it before, so you don't fear. It's pretty easy job to do. Doesn't take many tools, and it's not tedious at all. It is a pretty light transmission. If you see one person can pick it up, it's better if you have two people to do it, but if you had to do it by yourself, you could do it by yourself. And that's it. So watch for the next video, and we'll have you guys go ahead and see that, and make sure you like us, you subscribe, and you check us out, Zion Racing Team, at Zion Racing Team, YouTube, Instagram. Peace out.